So, several tips on parking on an incline, how to make your car safer, how to avoid any problems. The first thing, before you even put your shifter to park, you need to apply the parking brake. So here is my parking brake, I want to apply it firmly. If you have the electronic parking brake, it will apply firmly on its own. And only after that, I want to put my car in park. And only after that, I want to release the brake pedal. Now I'm sure that my car will not move even an inch after I release the brake pedal. And if it moves even several inches, your parking pole in the transmission will be loaded. Yeah, and it's not designed to hold the weight of your car. So you need to make sure that after you release the brake pedal, your car doesn't move an inch on an incline. Then what else you want to do is to turn your steering wheel towards the curb. So let's imagine the curb is on the right side. In any case, whether your car is nose up or nose down, you just turn the steering wheel towards the curb so that the front wheels would look directly at the curb. In this case, even if something happens and your car rolls back because the electronic parking brake is bad or something like that, your car will not roll back and hit another car, or some other object on the road. It will just roll back or forward a little till the front tires or rear tires reach the curb, and you will not damage anything. Now remember that after that, when you get into your vehicle and your steering wheel is turned, very likely your steering wheel will be locked. And if you try to just turn the key, you will understand that the steering wheel is locked, the key is locked, and you don't know what to do. So in this case, wiggle the steering wheel a little bit, wiggle your key simultaneously, and you will get the steering wheel out of the lock, and you will be able to turn the key. And the last thing, avoid parking on hills for a very long time. Anyway, when you're parking on the hill, you will need to apply your parking brake. And if it's for a very long time, your brake discs are gonna get some rust. And when the parking pads are applied to this rusty rotor, nothing good is gonna happen. So your parking brake may stop holding your vehicle after some time. Or when you eventually want to drive your car, you will not be able to disengage this parking brake. So if you're parking your car for more than a month or something like that, you should find some flat surface, not apply the parking brake, apply only the park position of the shifter, and in this case your car will be probably okay to go after you decide to drive it again.